Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today I prepared for you another cookie decorating tutorial. We're going to make delicious strawberry ice cream sundae cookies. I used an actual fresh strawberry royal icing to decorate, and now let's get started. I love when my strawberry ice cream has little bits of strawberries in it. So to make those little bits, spread a little bit of royal icing onto wax paper and let it dry. Once dry, I'm going to break it up into smaller pieces, and these will be strawberry bits. I will be using these to decorate. Next, we're going to make strawberry. To make the strawberry, place a piece of wax paper or parchment over your template and pipe with about 20-second consistency royal icing. Let the strawberry crust really well, and then we're going to add yellow seeds. I'm using piping consistency yellow royal icing. Once you're done with the seeds, let the strawberry dry overnight, and then we're going to add green leaves. To make the leaves, cut a small V-shaped opening on your piping bag. And to pipe the leaves, use like medium stiff consistency royal icing. Pipe three leaves on a parchment paper and then place strawberry on the leaves like so. So once it dries, it's going to be glued together. Let it dry again, and then you can peel off the strawberry. You can make both decorations ahead of time and store them in an airtight container until you're ready to use them. To decorate the bottom of my glass, I decided to use ice cream cone pattern. Use edible marker to trace the outlines on a cookie, and then start decorating with ivory royal icing, 15-second consistency. I'm going to ice the bottom part first. Use a needle tool to distribute the icing all the way to the edge and smooth it out. And then I'm going to let this dry. Once dry, we're going to add a grid using piping consistency royal icing. When making a grid, I find it's really helpful to have an actual grid underneath the cookies so you can evenly space out the lines. But it's not really necessary, you don't have to do that. If you don't need to, I kind of need to do that because otherwise my lines are gonna be all over the place. And if you're not familiar with terms of consistencies like 20-second consistency or 15-second consistency, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can check my detailed tutorial about the consistency and how to fin royal icing. I'm going to include a link in the description box under the video, as well as links to all the recipes that I'm using today. You can find those there. Alright, I'm going to add a thick line with about 20-second consistency royal icing like so. Don't worry about smoothing it out. And I'm going to add another thick line on the other side. You actually want it to be a little wobbly, so it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. After this, I'm going to let it crust. Actually, I'm not gonna let it crust, I'm going to ice the bottom first, I completely forgot. So I'm using again 15-second consistency, and then we're gonna let that crust. Next step is really fun. I love airbrushing, but I don't do it as often as I would like to. So to airbrush, I'm going to use lemon yellow and warm brown airbrush food colorings. I'm going to add a few drops of each into my cup, and then we're gonna airbrush. I'm going a little heavier in the center where that thick line is, and then lighter towards the edge. Alright, we're gonna repeat that from the other side. To decorate the top, I'm first going to divide it with edible marker, and again I'm using fresh Strawberry Royal Icing. However, when you first make fresh Strawberry Royal Icing, it's a very pale pink, so in order to make it darker I use some pink food coloring, and I'm using about 15-second consistency Royal Icing. It can be a little thicker if you want to create a more dimension. Now adding those strawberry bits in there, pressing it in. And I'm also going to add a large strawberry we made. So I'm going to gently press it in there, and then we're gonna have to let the icing crust. Once it crusts, you can add another layer of icing and also add those tiny bits. Top will be decorated with white royal icing, and I'm going to use stiff royal icing for this and a star tip. So we're just gonna add a swirl kind of a thing, and then add rainbow sprinkles. Insert the strawberry. Another option is to add chocolate syrup. So let the strawberry section crust, and then with 20-second consistency, using brown royal icing, add the chocolate syrup. Then you can add some rainbow sprinkles. And there you have it, delicious strawberry ice cream sundae cookies. These turned out really cute and they were so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. If you are interested in all the recipes and tools that I used in today's tutorial, be sure to check the description box under the video. I am going to include the link to my blog post there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.